Hi kids, in this video we will learn about our solar system. Let's blast off into space. This is our Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system. It's a home to billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. The solar system is like a big space family with the sun as the boss. Everything in the solar system moves around the sun, making it the center. It's a huge ball of burning gas that gives us light and heat. All planets rotate on their own axis, just like a spinning top. All planets orbit the sun. Now let's meet the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now let's learn planet one by one. Mercury, closest planet to the sun, smallest planet in the solar system. It gets very hot in the day and freezing cold at night. It does not have a moon. Venus, second planet from the sun, hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it's similar in size and structure, but it's extremely hot and toxic. It does not have a moon. Earth, third planet from the sun, the only planet known to support life. It has water in all 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. Earth is our home. It has one moon. Mars, fourth planet from the sun, known as the red planet because of its iron-rich soil, which gives it a reddish color. It has the largest volcano in the solar system. It's having 2 small moons. Jupiter, fifth planet from the sun. It is largest planet in the solar system, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. It has strongest magnetic field. It has at least 95 moons. Saturn, sixth planet from the sun, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. A gas giant, mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Second largest planet in the solar system. It has at least 146 moons. Uranus, seventh planet from the sun. Ice giant made mostly of water, methane, and ammonia. It has at least 27 moons. It's coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune, eighth and farthest planet from the sun, an ice giant made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. It has a deep blue color. It has at least 14 moons. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.